Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a homemade beetroot lip balm using natural ingredient. This is perfect for the winter season when our lips tend to get dry and chapped. So guys, first take your beetroot and wash it thoroughly, then cut it into small pieces. You can use a knife or a hand chopper for this step. I prefer using a hand chopper because it's quicker and easier. Next, take the chopped beetroot and put it in a blender or juicer. Blend it until it become a smooth paste. If you don't have a blender or juicer, you can use a mortar and pestle to grind the beetroot into a paste. Once you have the beetroot paste, take a strainer and place it over a bowl. Pour the beetroot paste into the strainer and use a spoon to press down on the paste. This will help to extract the juice from the pulp, and keep pressing down on the paste until you have extracted as much juice as possible. You can also use your hands to squeeze out any remaining juice. So guys, first you will need 2 tablespoon of fresh beetroot juice. Beetroot is rich in antioxidant and help to nourish and hydrate the lips. Next, add 2 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural emollient that helps to lock in moisture and prevent dryness. Then add 1 tablespoon of vaseline. Vaseline helps to create a protective barrier on the lips and keep them soft and supple. Finally, add 1 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E is great for repairing damaged skin and promoting healthy cells growth. Mix all the ingredients together until they are well combined. Transform the mixture into a small container and let it cool in the fridge for about an hour. And there you have it, your very own homemade beetroot lip balm. Apply it to your lips whenever they feel dry or chapped. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.